Oh, Nash. Sun's gonna come up. Here we are. Now you're gonna make a lot of money.
I didn't want to tell you. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing here either, but I'm thankful. Whatever you want to call it. Left me with my mom. My boy.